trying to have a productive Sunday morning, and it just feels like nothing is working in my favor this morning. The weather has been pretty hot. It's so hot. I just want to join church service now. Usually I'd watch it on the TV, bigger screen here, but I'll just use my laptop this morning because there's no light. There hasn't been power supply since last night. No, we had about an hour last night. It's just been crazy. Like this entire week, I almost didn't shoot anything because it's been so hot. And of course, not bright enough. I'll need lights and all of that. And I don't want to use generator because it's going to be really loud. And that would mean I'd have to solely use just background music, and I have to like mute the sound of each and every clip. And I didn't want to do that. It's just crazy. Like where I live, usually would have lights for at least 17 hours a day. Sometimes between 17 and 20 hours. Sometimes even 24 hours, and doesn't even go off. But past few weeks have been hell. Power supply has been really bad. This particular week, this week that we just finished yesterday, because today is Sunday, has been the worst ever. In a day, we barely have 3 hours of light. How do you want us to cope? Like, I don't know how, but I don't know. It just doesn't make any sense to me because the weather is so hot. It's so hot. Like, you can't even be productive in this amount of heat without light. I'm just going to try to film the little I can. Just, I don't know. Let's see how it goes. This is my confidence.
Revelations chapter 8. Absolutely amazing. But people of God,
look what just happened, guys. Yay! I hope it lasts because anytime they give us light like this, it doesn't last though. Sometimes it doesn't even last 30 minutes. Well, let me be hopeful. I'm so grateful for this fan. It's been so hot. I don't know if you guys understand, but if you're living in Nigeria, especially if you're living in Lagos, I'm sure you understand. Now I can wash. When I previously put these bed sheets, there was no light. I just stuffed them in so that whenever they bring light, I'll wash them. You know, I'm grateful for this light. I just hope, I really, really hope it lasts. Can't even. Guys, these people have dashed my hopes. Power is out again. I was still in the bathroom when we went upstairs. The clothes, it didn't last an hour because the clothes I put in the machine, I've never finished washing it. Just imagine. I'm starting to believe that these people are working against my progress. These people, enemies of progress. EP, that's what they are. Oh, for real, it's frustrating, honestly. I'm sweating. I just had my bath and I'm sweating again.